In the heart of the jungle, there lived a young chimpanzee named Charlie. Charlie was known far and wide for one special thing, his cheerful spirit. No matter how hot the day or how heavy the rain, Charlie always wore a smile. Charlie always greeted everyone with a happy, "Hello." A grumpy porcupine named Percy asked him, "Why are you always smiling?" Charlie chuckled. "Of course I do. But sharing a smile makes everything better." A loud splash echoed. A baby elephant had slipped into a muddy puddle. The animals were panicked, unsure of what to do. Charlie jumped in with a laugh. "Let's make this a mud party." Soon, all the animals were laughing and helping the elephant out. Worry turned into joy, all thanks to Charlie's cheerful attitude. From that day on, even grumpy Percy found himself smiling more. Moral: a cheerful attitude can brighten the darkest day. Kindness and joy are contagious, spread them freely. Thanks for watching.